Hello students, in today's session of quadratic equation, further very basic concepts regarding different nature of roots will be discussed through illustrations. In earlier session we have also discussed these two, which you can review on Sethiswiftlearn. I will also like to request, go through all concept clearing videos on Sethiswiftlearn. Now let's start with the questions. Question is, for what values of m, the equation x square plus 2m minus 1x plus m plus 5 has roots are equal in magnitude or opposite in sign. Roots are reciprocal to each other. Roots are opposite in sign. Both roots are positive. Both roots are negative. At least one root is positive. At least one root is negative. M belongs to R. Right? We have to solve one by one part. Right? Now, for what value of m? Here, the standard equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a equal to 1, this is greater than 0. B equal to twice m minus 1 and c equal to m plus 5. For d equal to b square minus 4ac. This comes out to be 4 m minus 1 whole square plus minus 4 1 into m plus 5. 4 taken common, m square minus 2m plus 1 minus 4m minus m minus 5. On further simplification, this comes out to m square minus 3m minus 4, 4 m minus 4 m plus 1. Right? This is the discriminant. This is the discriminant. Now, roots are equal in magnitude, opposite in sign. Means, suppose x square minus 4 equal to 0. X equal to plus minus 2. Means, coefficient of x should be equal to 0. That is, b part should be equal to 0 and d should be greater than 0. D is d, that is 4 m minus plus 1, m minus 4 should be greater than 0. Means minus 1, 4 goal. According to greater of outside, less for inside. Right? This comes out to be. And b part equal to 0. What is b part? Twice m minus 1. Twice m minus 1 equal to 0. Means m equal to 1. M equal to 1. Conclusion. M equal to either answer for d to be greater than 0. This is less than 1 minus 1 or greater than 4. M is equal to. Therefore, for no values of m. For no values of m, given equation has equal and opposite roots. M belongs to 5. That is null. Right? Next part. Next part is roots are reciprocal to each other. If alpha beta is 1 by alpha. Product क्या होगा alpha into beta, that is alpha into 1 by alpha, that is c upon a, that is equal to 1. C equal to a and d greater than equal to 0. d हम ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेट कर चुके हैं. -1 4. This say here, and c equal to a. C is m plus 5. equal to 1, m equal to -4. So conclusion, m is going -infinity to -1 or 4 to infinity. M -4 lies this region. Therefore, m equal to -4. For roots to be reciprocal to each other, m should be equal to -4. Next part. Roots are opposite in sign. Opposite in sign means suppose x plus 3, x minus 1 equal to 0. In this case, x square plus 2x minus 3 greater than 0, or x minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 3 equal to 0. Means x square minus 2x, x square minus 2x minus 3. This is plus s3 equal to 0. Means a should be greater than 0, c should be less than 0, and d should be greater than 0. D should be greater than 0. Then d की वैल्यू क्या दी हमें? -1, 4, and c should be less than 0. That is m plus 5 should be less than 0. M should be less than -5. Right? It means this region is favorable. So -infinity to -5. That is the answer. This is the conclusion. Right? Next part. Next part is both roots are positive. Both roots positive means suppose x minus 1, x minus 3 equal to 0. X square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. In this case, a greater than 0, b less than 0, c greater than 0, d should be greater than 0. Right? In that case, d की वैल्यू हमने ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेट की है, -1 and 4, -1 and 4. This say, this say, this say, this d. B less than 0. B less than 0 means b less than 0. B less than 0. Twice m minus 1 less than 0. That is m should be less than 0. Right? Or c should be greater than 0. M plus 5 should be greater than 0. M should be greater than -5. M should be greater than 5. Then less than 1 not is possible. तो conclusion क्या रहेगा हमारा इसमें? Which will satisfy all the values. Less than -5. -5 less than 1. Less than 1. इस साइड में जा रहा है तो this is -1. This will be the answer. Right? Next part. Both roots are negative. X plus 1, x plus 3 equal to 0. X square plus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. A greater than 0. B greater than 0. C greater than 0. D greater than 0. This will be the answer. Right? In that case. D again same. -1, 4. This side go this side, this side go this side. And 1 is greater than 0. Correct. b greater than 0 means m minus 1 greater than 0. M should be greater than 1. M should be greater than. C should be greater than m plus 5, that is 0. M should be greater than minus 5. Now, there are three possible answers. There are three possible answers. Greater than 1 पे 4 है हमारे पास. Greater than minus 5 पे, greater than minus 5 पे minus 5 से इस साइड minus 1 तक जाएगा. और either greater than 1 and greater than minus 5. Greater than minus 5 पे आपको this condition and this condition. So conclusion will be greatest में क्या आएगा 4. 4 कहाँ तक जा रहा है? इन्फिनिटी तक जा रहा है. This one. This is semi-flow interval. This will be the answer. This is a check. M greater than 1, definitely. M greater than minus 5, definitely greater than 5. All conditions are being satisfied here. Right? Next part. Next part is at least one root is positive. At least one is positive, one positive, one negative, or both positive. In earlier part, we have discussed roots are of opposite sign. Both roots positive. In the above part, we have discussed it. So, both roots positive or union roots opposite in sign. इन सबका यूनियन ले लेंगे. Opposite sign, third part. Opposite sign minus infinity, minus 5. Minus infinity, minus 5. Right? Minus infinity, minus 5. Fourth way, minus 5, 1. Minus 5, 1. Minus 5, 1. Minus 1. That is minus 1. Minus 5, minus 1. This will be like this. This will be this union. This will be the answer for that. Minus 5, 1. Right? This is for at least one root is full. This is the answer. And at least one root is negative, one is negative, or both are negative. Negative means roots are of opposite sign. Union, both roots negative. ठीक है, both roots negative हमने दिया अभी आपको 4 to infinity. 4 to infinity union, both roots opposite sign. Minus infinity, minus 5. Minus infinity, minus 5. Minus infinity, minus 5. This is the answer. All the 7 parts have been discussed in detail, right? Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, Sethiswiftlearn, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.